Release the Kraken!
Welcome back, fellow game designers. In our last video, we finished up the UVs for the body, belt, hat, and eyes. And in this one, we need to tackle the UVs for the hair. So let's go ahead and save our work, and we'll do this as the next iteration. So link, this is 30. Wow, 30 videos on link. Alright, let's go ahead and hide all the things we don't need. Let's keep the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, and the general rule of thumb is if you don't need to ever see the interior faces, you can just delete them. I'll leave that up to you. For this, I'm going to go ahead and UV both sides, but if you don't think you're ever going to see the interior stuff, you can always delete the interior faces. So I'm going to go and get object mode, so F8, we'll hit create, and then planar. Awesome. F10 for edge mode, I'm going to double click the outer edge, and you can see that went pretty good all the way around. I'm going to go over to UV cut. I'm going to grab both halves of the hair and then unfold. And then I take both of these and just lay out. So there we go. We have the top and interior part of the hair. And again, if you don't ever think you're going to need the interior, you can always delete those and have a much cleaner section, and just make sure that this fills the whole space. So that's how you would do the cap as one layer. I'll leave that up to you. I'm going to keep both for this, but you have the option as you see fit. So I'm going to keep both of my halves. You do what you think is best for you. So I'll go ahead and turn off the hair cap, and I'll get the hair number 1. Make sure we're in object mode, and then we will do our planar again. All right, and then let's go ahead and get the edge, this middle edge here on the border. That'll give us a clean selection all the way through, so hit that. That should go all the way through. We're going to go to cut, and then go to face selection. Select it all. Come down to unfold. And then we want to go down to arrange and layout, and then hit layout. Now when this lays it out, it does pack it a bit close, so you can always adjust your pack settings. If you go up to modify, come down to layout and get the box here, and then down here under layout settings, just go ahead and set the shell and tile padding however much you want. 5 I think is good, and then we can get these and then hit apply. And that should give us just enough gap, you know. I think that's good. Let's go get the next one. We can close that. Let's get this hair. We'll turn that one off. We'll get hair 2. And let's get hair 2 all the way through hair however many. We'll turn those on. Let's make sure we're in object mode, and we will make a planar. That'll get these. Let's go ahead and turn those off. I'll keep number 2. And same deal. I'm going to get the middle edge here. Make sure that goes all the way through, and we can just cut, grab it all in face mode. So again, F11, select it all, hit unfold, and then layout. There we go, and we should have enough space. Yes. We can rinse and repeat that. Shouldn't take us too long. Border edge, UV cut, face selection, grab it all, unfold, layout. Get number 4, select the edge, goes all the way through, cut it, face selection, grab it all, unfold, layout. We'll get number 7. I don't know where 5 and 6 went, but you know what they say, 6 was afraid of 7 because, never mind. All right, face select or edge selection. We'll get the border edge here. UV cut, face selection, get it all, unfold, and then layout. Hide that one. Get the next one. Get the border edge. Cut it. Select all, unfold, layout. Remember that you're selecting all from face selection. If you unfold it in edge selection, it gets messy. So we'll get edge, we'll go around the border, we'll cut. And then face selection, unfold, layout. Get the next one. Rinse and repeat. Now really you should be able to do the rest of these on your own. You don't need me. So we've done, what, a handful of these already? Feel free to take what you've learned and apply it yourself. Now just one quick thing. If you do not need the interior faces, the faces that are on the inside of the hair, you can always remove them. If you're worried that a player is going to be able to see into the hair and you can see into the void, then leave it. You know. But for optimization, you should pretty much almost always remove internal faces. I almost clicked the wrong thing there. No big deal. You might be wondering, why are we doing UVs even though we already have a color on it? And the answer is because that's what you're supposed to do. We don't want to have UV overlaps. That's going to be bad when you go into your game engine. It'll yell at you and tell you that your UVs are overlapping and you won't have proper light mapping. So even if you're using shaders to generate your color and you're not applying a texture, you should always do your UVs. Now, since I'm going to be using a shader for this and I'm not putting a texture on it, I don't care as much about the layout of these UVs, just as long as they're unfolded and they don't overlap. It's easy to lose track of what you're doing. Try to be cognizant of your actions. Again, we're selecting the border edge, cut, go to face selection, grab it all, unfold, and then layout. Then we hide it. Unhide the next one. Get the edges of it. And where is this guy? He's over there. If you're ever having a hard time selecting an object and centering on it, you can go to object mode, so F8, and then F to frame, and that's a lot nicer. There we go. Just a couple more and we'll be done with this. Pretty easy peasy. Oh, number 8 is already done. That's weird. I must have grabbed him or removed him at some point. Alright. Cut, unfold, layout. There we go, get this one. Cut, unfold, layout. Hide, unhide. Get the border. Cut, unfold, layout. Hooray! And then we get to find this one. Get the border, cut, unfold, and layout. So pretty sure that's all of them. Let's go ahead and turn all the hair pieces back on. Yeah. Nice. We can turn all the body parts back on because those are done. We did the mouth earlier. So yeah, so there is our link all UV'd. In the next one we will start texture mapping. So save your work, stay tuned, and I shall see you next time. Hey guys, thank you for checking out the channel. If you like that video you just watched, consider hitting that like button and hit or subscribe. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, check out the Wielders of Ether. It's my upcoming comic book. The Kickstarter will be dropping pretty soon. You can see that is getting ready here. The newsletter for that, if you go to brucebooks.com, you can sign up for the newsletter, and you will be notified when the Kickstarter drops. We're pretty excited, and we hope to see you on launch day.